Welcome to our channel where we inspire you to turn your urban space into a thriving garden oasis. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to creating a lush, productive urban garden without breaking the bank. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a small backyard, these tips will help you cultivate a green paradise all on a budget. Let's dive in. First things first, it's crucial to start with a plan. Planning is the foundation of any successful garden. Take a moment to assess your available space. Observe the sunlight patterns throughout the day. This will help you determine which plants will thrive in your garden. Make a simple sketch of your space, noting any existing structures like fences or railings. Imagine where you'd like to place your containers or raised beds. Planning ahead will save you time and money in the long run. Now, let's talk about soil. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of any successful garden. You don't need to buy expensive soil mixes. Instead, consider creating your own compost. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and garden waste. It enriches the soil and boosts plant growth. Start a small compost bin on your balcony or in a corner of your yard. Add vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Over time, you'll create nutrient-rich compost that your plants will love. Next, let's discuss containers. Containers are perfect for urban gardening. They're versatile, movable, and ideal for small spaces. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy pots. Instead, get creative with what you have. Use old buckets, crates, or even repurpose old kitchenware. Just make sure they have drainage holes. A good rule of thumb is to choose containers that suit the size of your plants. Smaller plants like herbs can go in smaller pots, while larger plants like tomatoes need bigger containers. Seeds are another area where you can save money. Instead of buying expensive seed packets, consider saving seeds from produce you already buy. Tomatoes, peppers, and many herbs are excellent candidates for seed saving. Simply dry the seeds on a napkin, store them in an envelope, and plant them when you're ready. You can also participate in seed swaps in your community. These swaps allow you to trade seeds with other gardeners, expanding your plant variety without spending a dime. When it comes to watering, efficiency is key. Watering your plants properly can save you money and prevent water waste. Invest in a rain barrel to collect rainwater. This is a sustainable and cost-effective way to water your garden. If a rain barrel isn't feasible, try using a drip irrigation system. These systems deliver water directly to the plant roots, ensuring no drop is wasted. Watering in the early morning or late evening also reduces evaporation, keeping your plants hydrated longer. Now let's talk about maximizing space. Vertical gardening is a game changer for urban spaces. Use trellises, hanging planters, or wall-mounted pots to grow vertical. Why? This technique not only saves space, but also adds an eye-catching element to your garden. Grow climbing plants like beans, cucumbers, or peas. They will thrive and provide a bountiful harvest. Don't forget about the power of community. Join local gardening groups or online forums. These communities are treasure troves of advice and support. They often organize plant and seed swaps, workshops, and group buys. Participating in these activities can significantly reduce costs while expanding your gardening knowledge. Lastly, keep an eye on sales and secondhand stores. Many garden centers have end-of-season sales where you can find pots, tools, and seeds at a fraction of the cost. Thrift stores and garage sales are also great places to find gardening supplies. With a bit of patience and luck, you can snag some fantastic deals that will help your garden flourish. By implementing these strategies, you're well on your way to creating a thriving urban garden on a budget. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and embrace the learning moments. Your urban garden will not only beautify your space, but also provide you with fresh homegrown produce. That's all it takes to get amazing results at home.